This is for 15 volt switch gear. After installation, during commissioning stage, these panels already installed. Some panels are already charged and some are not. This is 415 volt and 400 volt LV MCC and LV switch gear. In the first snap you can see there are three vertical LV panel lineups. In the middle, as you can see, this is also LV MCC with two numbers incomers. So as per the equipment layout, these panels are already installed and some panels are already charged, and lockout tagout system is also implemented at site. So in the middle you can see this is also LV panel, vertical panel lineups. Depth may be 800 mm. Panel width of each vertical lineup is 600 mm. In this second snap you can see this is also 400 volt LV panels. This is L-shape panel, depending on the room space availability. These panels are installed like this. This is also floor mounted LV panels. In the back side there is wall, that clearance is 1 meter. In this snap you can see these are the vertical LV modules. These are very small LV modules. Suppose 15 kilowatt motor feeder or power feeder, 0.55 0.75 kilowatt. In the right hand side also you can see these panels are already charged. In a vertical lineup there are 11 or 12 numbers modules. So in a single vertical lineup there are smalls 10 to 12 modules. These are not incomers, but these are all small outgoing LV modules. Some modules are locked. These are not charged yet. These modules are not commissioned. So during commissioning stage, you can see as per the drawing also, in the middle of the panel lineup there is the incomer and others are outgoing modules. Suppose plus 9.1 9.2 9.3, these are the outgoing modules with some backend or spare feeders, motor or power feeders. This is the drawing for LV MCC. Now I will show you this 6.6 kV switch gear modules. So unlike LV modules, here in 6.6 kV each vertical panel there is only single module. So you can see in the first snap, in the topmost compartment is the control, and this is the control compartment, control cabinet. All the meters relays are installed here, and also the selector switch, local remote selector switch, control switch, indicating lamps. These are installed here in this control cubicle. Indication lamps are also there. Again, this is 6.6 kV module, 6.6 kV motor module. Actually, this is for VFD feeder, VFD motor feeder. Below you can see this is the breaker, 6.6 kV medium voltage circuit breaker, draw out type. So this breaker has 3 positions: service, test, and isolated. In the second snap you can see this is the circuit breaker module. This circuit breaker is in test position, and this is the earth switch. Earth switch position is on. That means earth switch is connected with the ground, and this is locked with a keypad. So this is there is also lockout tagout system implemented at site, because this is again during commissioning stage. So this is the lockout tagout system, where the circuit breaker is in test position and earth switch is connected with ground. So you cannot open, you cannot switch on the circuit breaker unless you switch on, unless you open this padlock and off this earth switch. So there is the interlock. Before putting the circuit breaker in service position, you need to remove this padlock and place this earth switch in off position. And you see this panel is charged. This first panel, it is already charged because indication lamps are there. Indication lamps are glowing here. But in the second snap you can see this is breaker is in test position and padlocks there. So some panels are charged and some are not energized yet. Yes, this is the auxiliary, as I already said. This is control cubicle and auxiliary, all the auxiliary relays and changeover scheme, meters, indication lamps, control switch, local remote selector switch, all are placed here. And this cubicle can also be locked with a keypad. There is the provision to avoid any unwanted operation. And finally, this is the 6.6 kV VFD cubicle. This is the variable frequency in drive. So power supply is coming from the upstream 6.6 kV switch gear, 6.6 kV panel to this VFD panel, and from this VFD to the motors located at field. So this is 6.6 kV variable frequency drive. This is also installed standalone floor mounted. This is for particularly for this boiler feed pump high rating motors. So this VFD is also floor mounted and standalone panel. This is 6.6 kV.